A lot of people are scared right now. They see AI writing, coding, drawing, and answering questions in seconds, and they wonder, is my future already gone? But here is the twist most people miss. AI is not just replacing jobs. It is exposing which jobs were always built on repeatable tasks. And that means some careers are now looking stronger than ever. So which jobs are still safe? And why do they survive when machines keep getting smarter? Stay with me, because the final jobs on this list may be the most powerful career insurance you can have. Number 1. Skilled trades still rule. When your sink explodes at midnight, nobody wants a chatbot. They want a plumber. When the power goes out, people do not want an algorithm, they want an electrician. Skilled trades survive because they mix physical movement, problem solving, and real-world unpredictability. Every house is different. Every broken pipe is different. Every wiring issue has its own surprise hiding behind the wall. AI can help with planning, pricing, or diagnostics, but it cannot easily crawl under your kitchen, feel the pressure in a pipe, or safely rewire a real home. A simple example is a plumber walking into two homes with the same leak. In one home, the problem is old metal pipes. In the other, it is poor installation. Same symptom, different fix. That human judgment matters. Number 2. Nurses are hard to replace. Hospitals run on human care. Nurses do not just follow instructions, they comfort scared patients, notice small changes, calm families, and make fast decisions when something feels wrong. A machine may track heart rate. A nurse notices that a patient looks pale, sounds weak, and seems confused before the monitor screams danger. That mix of skill and human instinct is hard to copy.
Think about a child in pain. A robot may deliver medicine. A nurse knows how to explain what is happening in a way that lowers fear. That emotional connection is not a bonus, it is part of the job. As America gets older, healthcare keeps growing. That means many care-based jobs may stay in demand even as AI gets stronger. Number 3. Teachers shape humans, not just homework. Some people think AI will replace teachers because it can explain math or grade writing, but teaching is much bigger than delivering information. Great teachers read the room. They notice confusion. They motivate kids who want to give up. They build confidence. A student may say, "I do not get this," but the real problem might be fear, embarrassment, or low self-belief. A teacher can spot that. AI usually cannot handle that in a deep human way. Picture a student failing algebra. The lesson is not just numbers. The teacher may connect it to sports, money, or real life. Suddenly, it clicks. That is human creativity meeting human emotion. AI may become a strong classroom tool, but the teacher is still the guide. Number 4. Therapists and counselors matter more than ever. People do not go to therapy just to hear information. They go to feel understood. They go because life is messy, painful, and personal. A therapist listens for what is said and what is not said. AI can offer tips, it can organize ideas, but real counseling often depends on trust, empathy, timing, and emotional safety. Those are human strengths. Imagine someone grieving a parent, going through a divorce, or feeling lost after losing a job. They don't just need answers, they need connection. That is why counseling remains hard to automate. In a world filled with stress, loneliness, and uncertainty, human support may become even more valuable, not less. Number 5. Sales experts who build trust will win. Basic selling can be automated, but high-value selling is different. When big money is on the line, people still buy from people they trust. A great salesperson listens, reads emotion, handles doubt, and changes the conversation based on the person in front of them. That is not just talking, that is psychology. For example, a family buying life insurance may have fear, confusion, and budget stress. A real advisor can slow down, explain choices, and help them feel safe. AI may present options, but trust often closes the deal. The future may punish pushy salespeople, but trusted advisors could become even more valuable. Number 6. Emergency responders face real chaos. Firefighters, paramedics, and police officers step into unpredictable situations. Smoke, panic, noise, danger, and split-second decisions are part of the job. AI works best in structured systems. Emergencies are rarely structured. A paramedic arriving at a crash scene must assess injuries, calm witnesses, move fast, and adjust to new problems every second. And machine might help route the ambulance faster, but carrying someone out of danger, deciding what matters first, and staying calm under pressure still depends heavily on people. This is one reason crisis jobs remain hard to replace. Number 7. Lawyers who use judgment stay valuable. Some legal work can be automated. AI can scan contracts and summarize documents, but law is not just paperwork. It is strategy, negotiation, persuasion, and judgment. A lawyer in court must read the room, respond to surprises, and shape arguments for real human beings. That goes far beyond searching rules. Imagine a business owner in a lawsuit. They do not only want legal facts, they want someone who can protect them, explain risk, and help them make smart moves. AI can support legal work, but the human lawyer often remains the decision maker. The safe legal jobs are not the most repetitive ones. They're the ones built on thinking and people skills. Number 8. Managers who lead humans will last. A company is not just tasks, it is people, and people bring stress, ego, ambition, fear, conflict, and creativity to work every day. Managers do more than assign jobs. They solve tension, motivate teams, handle poor performance, and make judgment calls when the plan falls apart. AI can track deadlines. It cannot fully lead people through disappointment, burnout, or conflict. Think of a team missing a major deadline. Software can flag the delay. A leader has to decide who needs help, who needs accountability, and how to keep the team from falling apart. Management may change because of AI, but human leadership is still a major advantage. Number 9. Creators with original voice stand out. AI can produce content fast, but speed is not the same as originality. The internet is already filling with content that sounds smooth but forgettable. What stands out is a real voice, a real story, and a real point of view. That matters for YouTubers, filmmakers, writers, speakers, and brand builders. The creator who knows how to connect emotionally still has power. One person may use AI to write 100 average posts. Another person tells one unforgettable story from real life. Guess which one people remember? AI may flood the market with more content. That makes authentic creators even more valuable. Number 10. Mechanics solve real-world problems. Cars, trucks, and machines break in messy ways. Mechanics use tools, experience, sound, touch, and testing to find the real issue. A strange engine noise does not always mean the same thing. Sometimes the problem is small. Sometimes it points to something deeper. Human pattern recognition in the physical world still matters. A mechanic may hear a rattle and know it is not the battery, not the belt, but a loose heat shield. That kind of practical diagnosis is learned over time and applied in real conditions. Number 11. Childcare workers do more than supervise. Watching children is not just about safety, it is about teaching, guiding, comforting, and helping kids grow. Parents want someone warm, reliable, and emotionally present. A machine may entertain a child for a moment. It cannot replace the human bond that helps children feel safe and develop trust. That is why childcare, early education, and caregiving remain deeply human jobs. Number 12. Entrepreneurs create what does not exist yet. AI is strong at patterns from the past. Entrepreneurs often win by seeing what does not exist yet. They spot needs, take risks, test ideas, and adjust fast. A founder might notice that busy parents in one town need a low-cost meal service. That insight comes from observing real life, not just processing data. Then comes selling, adapting, and building trust. AI can help entrepreneurs move faster, but the vision still starts with people. Number 13. Surgeons and specialists carry huge responsibility.
Yes, robots assist in medicine, but when lives are on the line, people still want a highly trained human making the final call. Surgery demands skill, calm, teamwork, ethics, and the ability to react when things change suddenly. Even advanced tools still depend on human oversight. The more serious the consequence, the more humans usually want a human in charge. Number 14. Social workers handle human complexity. Social workers deal with family conflict, poverty, addiction, child safety, housing issues, and crisis situations. These are not neat problems with neat answers. A family may need legal help, emotional support, school coordination, and emergency housing all at once. That takes compassion and judgment. These jobs are emotionally heavy, but they are also deeply needed and very hard to automate. Number 15. The safest job is the one that blends human strength with AI. Here is the truth most people wait too long to learn. The safest future is not hiding from AI. It is becoming the kind of person AI makes more powerful. If you bring empathy, leadership, judgment, creativity, hands-on skill, or trust building, and then use AI as a tool, you become much harder to replace. That is the real secret. A nurse using AI to review notes gets faster. A teacher using AI for lesson ideas gets more efficient. A contractor using AI for estimates saves time. The human stays valuable because the human brings what the machine cannot.
So no, your future is not automatically doomed, but it is changing. The people most at risk are usually doing work that is repetitive, predictable, and easy to copy. The people with the strongest future are doing human work, messy work, trust-based work, creative work, and hands-on work. The real question is not whether AI is coming. It already arrived. The real question is this: which human skill are you building right now that a machine cannot easily copy? Tell me in the comments which job on this list feels safest to you.